This chicken fry is tender, juicy with a burst of spices. If you are new to cooking or just looking to try something simple and flavorful, this beginner friendly chicken fry recipe is a great starting point. It is so easy to make and requires only a few basic ingredients. And this recipe doesn't even require any sort of marination. So let's get started. Here I have taken 500 grams of chicken with bone because chicken with bone always tastes better for fry recipes. Here I have taken medium sized chicken pieces. I have thoroughly washed and cleaned the chicken pieces, and let's straight away start the cooking process. In a pan, add about 3 tablespoons of oil, then add the chicken pieces into the oil after it is heated up. As I told earlier, I am not marinating the chicken pieces, I am directly adding the clean chicken pieces into the oil. Now let the chicken pieces fry on high flame for about 3 minutes till we see the water starts to release. So once the water starts to release, let the chicken pieces cook on the same high heat and make sure you are stirring in between so that the chicken pieces do not stick to the bottom of the pan. Now we need to cook the chicken pieces till the water evaporates completely. Add about half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of pink salt and let the chicken pieces cook on high heat for about 4 minutes, and don't forget to keep stirring in between. Cook the chicken pieces till 80% of water is evaporated and the oil starts to release. Then add chopped onion. Here I have taken one medium sized onion and chopped them into small cubes. After adding the onion, just lift and toss the chicken pieces, or else you would tend to break or split the chicken pieces. Now let this cook on medium flame for about 4 minutes till the remaining water evaporates and the oil starts to release. So here we can see a slight color change and the water has evaporated completely, and also the oil started to release and the onions have turned to a beautiful golden brown color. Now add about 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute till the raw smell goes away. This would take about 2 minutes on medium flame. At this stage, add 1 big slit green chilli and about 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Adding curry leaves and green chilli at this stage gives a very good flavor to the dish. Now let this cook on medium flame for about 2 minutes. At this stage, if we check, the chicken pieces would be about 80% cooked. Next, let's add some spices, salt, coriander powder, cumin powder, Kashmiri red chilli powder, chicken masala powder, then spicy normal red chilli powder. This is little spicier, so I have added only 1 teaspoon here. Now mix everything well and make sure that all the chicken pieces are coated well in the spices. Let this cook on low flame for about 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi and let this cook on low flame for about a minute. Meanwhile, take a tempering pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. After the oil is heated up, add about 1 sprig of curry leaves, gently toss them. After the curry leaves splutter, add about 20 cashew nuts and saute for 1 minute on low to medium flame. Once the cashew nuts turn light golden color, add these to the chicken pieces, mix everything well and let it cook on medium flame for about a minute. Then add about 1 teaspoon of ghee. Mix everything well so that all the pieces are coated well in the ghee. Then finally garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Give a quick stir and turn off the flame, and this simple yet delicious chicken fry is ready to be served. This is a quick recipe which can be prepared under 30 to 40 minutes. This dish goes well with rice or rotis, or can even be had as a starter or as an appetizer. Do try this recipe and do let me know how it turned out to be. If you like this video, do check the other videos on my channel as well, and don't forget to subscribe for more such interesting recipes and cooking videos. Enjoy and subscribe for more.